2004. It's got almost 300,000 miles on it. I just finished installed that alternator and a serpentine belt. It's good Lord, this thing is really tough. I know every Camry has the same problem, but this is what happened. Okay, how to fix that alternator fuse 120 on this model. Okay, what happened was the battery jumped the battery wrong. You put negative to positive, positive to negative, and it burned right here. This right there, and I'm trying to get it off. You see, you have to have a screw right here, 2 of them for that fuses to come out. Don't yank on it, but it's still there. This heck is hard, but when I finish install them, I'm gonna show you guys how to put them back together, but I didn't think. But yeah, if you do that, that's more likely this one is bad, because when you turn the keys on, all you get the light is engine and airbag. That's all you get. See, this is what happened right there. I took it off, and I bought a new one right here. There's a 6 of them in here. So yeah, I won't. And yeah, let me show you guys these too. Okay, see. Okay, I got this from the junkyard. I used most of the fuses from there to check on it. Yeah, I'm working on it today, and hopefully I can get it going. But that's what happened. If you're, let me see, when you turn the key to start, all you get is the engine light and airbag. That's all you get. That's more likely is this guy right here. Okay, so I'm gonna replace that